Hey Natalie, I'll give you all that money if you press that button, but you've got to go in the kitchen and rip Johnny's shirt off with force.
Hey mate.
Do it!
You gotta rip it off!
That's right! Oh, it's coming! I want my
Bryony, hold that.
Oh no.
If you press that button, you get this, but you have to go and take Nan's false teeth out with your bare hands. I'll give you these. You're a f***ing savage.
See you on the other side. Give me your false teeth! Open your mouth! Give me your teeth! Open mine!
Give her the teeth!
No, I can't! No! Nan! I think you have to have your money back. I can't. No, I can't. I can't. I'm defeated. Have it back.
Money back!
I'm out to take it.
Hey Finn, if you press that button, you get all this real money, but you have to punch Daddy in the nuts. Oh, now you gotta hit Daddy in the nuts.
I did it.
Take your money then. What toys are you gonna buy?
I'm gonna,
You're not going to buy anything with
I'm
that.
gonna buy a big Spider-Man.
That's not even real money, mate. You've been mugged off.
No, that's your money. Put it in your pocket. Don't let Daddy take it. Get it, because Daddy's gonna nick your money. Take it, all yours. Big Spider-Man for Finn. Ah, you rich? Is Finn rich? Hey Nan,
Yeah?
if you press that button, you get all that money, but Natalie gets bad luck for the next 24 hours.
You dare.
Yeah.
You evil old hag.
Oh.
Call her grandma, she doesn't like that. You deserve that, grandma. Have it back.
I don't know, you're laughing about it. You get 24 hours of bad luck.
Piss off.
Hey Liv, if you press that button, I'll give you all this money, but you have to paint Jasmine's face like Shrek.
Oh no.
Oh, what are you gonna do? You're evil. You are evil.
Oh no.